Welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you my design of the database for a website like this, which is bikroy.com. So basically in this website what we do is, in this website we have different kinds of products, and these are used products, and these products are sold to some other people. So some people use their products and then sell the product in here. So this is a kind of marketplace where people can sell and buy old and used products. Okay, so in this kind of website we need to design the database. So the database design should be look like this. Okay, so first of all, let me just introduce with some of the key ideas behind the website. So in this website there are different categories of data, or the products have the different categories, and each category have some subcategory. Like in the electronics section there are some subsections, like like laptops, laptop computer, TVs and other electronics like this. So there are some categories and some subcategories, and there you can sort the results by the date or the price, or you can also filter by the members, authorized readers, non-members, which means there are different types of sellers here. So you can also filter by the seller type. So you can also filter by the category and the subcategory. And so right now I am filtering by the categories, and now if I filter by the subcategory, like if I want to filter with the TV, it will be look like this. So we will get all the subcategory elements. So you can also filter by the location. Like you can filter by cities, like Dhaka, it's a city. You can see which products are available in Dhaka or in the city. And you can also have more precise location, like in Dhaka you have the Mirpur. So you can see which in the Mirpur which products of which TVs or which subcategories are available. So you can filter like that. You can also filter by condition, like new product or used product, like this. I mean product condition, as these are used products. And you can also filter by price, like minimum to maximum. Then you can also filter by like product brands, etc. So there's some basic things about this website. What else is here? So you can filter by this. So it's a very crucial part of the website to like filter the data, because there is a lot of filtering available here. So that's the basic idea behind the filtering and the categories of the product. So if we see a single product like this is a single product, which is a phone. There is what is here, let's see. There is a title of the phone, then there is like the timestamp where and the location from where and when the product was published online. Then the condition is there, price is there, like the model, band, authenticity. Then the features are there, the description is there, like this. And also similar, there is some similar types of products with the product itself. So these are the things that I need to keep in mind while designing the database for this website. So okay, so the basic idea is this. An user can also save the ad, so this is also important. And there is phone numbers of the seller, and we can chat with the seller like that. And yeah, that's it. Then what else is there? Like you have a profile, everyone have a profile, like everyone have their accounts and their membership, like which membership they have. Are the premium membership, are the normal member, like that. And also users can have their favorite products, like they can start the product and save them for future, like that things. So basically we have pretty much good idea about the website itself. Now let's head into some key points of the design here. So let's see. Okay. So okay, so right now we are gonna see some requirements or some key points of the website that we just analyzed. So first of all, the filter or the queries that we have to face is the about is we could filter by city, filter by area, filter by categories, filter by subcategories, filter by the product condition, filter by we can also sort by the newest, which about sort by date, which is the newest products, which are the oldest products, like that. And we can also filter by tags. This is not actually available in the BigQuery.com itself, but we can add the tag in the website. Like the tags will help us to give more precise suggestions and other things. Okay, so we can also have a trending value, which product is currently trending and which product should be on top of the other products, like that. So we can sort by trending too, and we can also sort by the seller rating, like the product that is the seller that is offering the product, how much reliable that seller is. We can give a rating to them. The rating could be done by the user, so like that. So there are these possible filters. So let's see some extra features that we can add to optimize the overall functionality of the database. So here buyer can add add a star to make any product as their favorites, that we have seen already. And then buyer or seller can have multiple address profiles, so that they can choose from those address. So yeah, this is a very important thing. Like an account can be a buyer or seller. So like each account can even buy products from the BigQuery.com, or can also sell products in the marketplace. So they can have each account can have multiple addresses, and they can use those addresses to sell or buy the product, so which will be very convenient for the user. And the buyers can give rating to the seller, and seller can give rating to the buyers, so that people can people can have an idea about the buyer or the seller, how reliable he is, or like that. So the seller can update the information at any time and add discount or lower the price as the time goes. So we can add this feature, like someone posts an ad, like someone is selling a phone, then he's watching that there is no response, he is not able to like sell the products, or maybe the product is a bit overpriced, then he can give some discount and lower the price, which will increase the chance to sell the product. So like that, we can have that functionality here. Then users can have multiple filters together, and the filters have separate index table to increase data filtering efficiency. So we have to clearly, we have to give a very good a very good thing to the. So clearly we have to pay attention to the filterings, because filtering is very important, because while filtering there is a lot of data, a lot of filters. So we need to be efficient enough to cope up with the speed with the queries. So we need to give proper indexing and proper design to the database, so that the queries can have a more fluent experience. So some key optimizations for the main design. So let's see what optimizations for the main design we can make. So user can have multiple addresses. So as you can see, this I have already mentioned this, and we can store their address, whatever. We already know that we can make indexes of the address by cities, and so we can also we can index by city, we can index by area, like that. And we can also have the images in a separate table, so that all the images are there, and we can link the image, or we can delete and add image, or we can control the image from as the membership goes. You can check that in details in the later of part of the video. So we can have a coefficient of trending, which is the trending multiplier into the total view. We will count the total number of views in a product, and we will multiply that with a trending multiplier. The trending multiplier can be controlled by the admin. The admin can change, as you know, there is different type of membership, or premium members like normal members. So for the premium members, the trending multiplier will be higher, and for the normal members it will be lower. So it can be controlled, and it is stored in another database, so another database table, so that it can be controlled manually and easily. So that's another thing. So the categories and subcategories should also be indexed, and so that the suggestions for the similar products is improved. So that's all about that. So users can also there is another, we can also add a feature like comment, and the users can comment on some post and warn about the possible scams. Like there could be, as it is a marketplace and anyone can sell anything, like so there could be some scams here, so that people can warn. So this is a very nice, very good, feature. So let's jump into the main database design. So let's go. Okay, so as this video is already a lot of quite big, like 10 minutes to 11 minutes, so I will make another video, the second part of the video, for analyzing the design of the website that we have just discussed and analyzed. So please watch the next video for proper understanding of the analysis that we did and the implementation of the database. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot.